So these are questions which are asked in exam these days. So basically I will not say that only these kind of question will be asked, but this is another type of question. So I'll complete in a form of 5 sets because a lot of people are getting confused with this. And in today's session, whatever is this, you can solve all these type of questions without any doubt, So let's see how to do this. So what is the questions first? It's like they are asking you which one is definitely not true. So the question is clear, which one is definitely not true. But what is this definitely not true? It means if there is any possibility that this can be true, then that is not definitely not true. So generally what it means, it doesn't need to happen that it is false. Correct? Simple. So I'll explain with you a small example which is different from this question, just to for the discussion sake. So let it be B greater than equal to C equals to F and then less than E. So if I give you that B is greater than C, E, then what you will say? Is this definitely false? No, this is not definitely false, because you can see at one point there is no relation between B and E. It means this, that see, whenever there is no relation between them, and how there is no relation, because you can put anything for B is greater than equal to C, like for example if you put 6 and then if you put here 5, like if it's smaller, and then F becomes equal. But for E, it is greater than F. The relation between F and E is just E is greater. It means you can put 6 also. But then what happens? So imagine you put here 7 because E is greater than F. There is no relation between E and B. Just relation is there between E, F and C. And C is equal to F. So if you put 7, then E becomes greater. Or if you put this, if you change all these numbers and put makes E smaller than B, then again you will have an answer which is true. So what we learn from this? Whenever there is no relation between two of them, you will always say that is not definitely not true. That is, there is a possibility, right? It can be, it doesn't follow definitely, but it's not definitely true. This is very important to understand. An easy thing to grasp that logic is, just see when the sign will change. So what did I mean that to find how there is no relation, you just see in the order, you see that at one point their relation breaks. Like here it's greater than equal to C equals to F, and then it becomes less than. So there is a change in sign, that definitely means that the relationship cannot be established. There can be many number of possibilities. So let's try to solve the question now. So let's see the first this thing. This is a statement and it says it's true. So which one is definitely not true? C is greater than N, and if you see C and N, see at this point is greater, and at this point it changes the sign. It means no relationship can be established. So yeah, I cannot say that this is definitely not true. This is not our option. We will not mark this. N equals to C. So as you can see again here, there is one greater than sign and there is one less than sign. If we draw the conclusion between C and E. So again there is no relation. So that is not our answer. A is less than Y. So if you see A to Y, you can see that sign changed here. There is greater and then here it changed. Again it changed. Means like there is opposite face. So again this is not our answer. C equals to M. C equals to M. Right? Again if you see there is a greater sign and a lower sign. No, that is again not our answer. So this is not our answer. And then it is O is less than equal to M. O is less than equal to M. So now you can see what is the actual relationship between O and M. Whenever you draw a conclusion between these two and you see greater than sign and whatever equal to sign, but if there is any less than sign, that will be preserved. Like the relation between O and M is this, right? This is the definite relationship between O and M. It cannot be greater than equal to. So what is our answer? The answer should be E. There is no doubt about it. And if you don't understand why it is changing from there, then you see this diagram which I have explained you before, and this will not be required later, because after some time, whenever there is greater than sign which occurs or less than sign occur in between our flow, and that takes the passage. So see what is happening. So greater to, less than to, less than equal to, so it comes back, and then it stays on less than, because that is the third one here. So from the diagram also you can see, but after some time you should get really quick in deciding if there is any flow like this, what will be the outcome from just seeing the diagram, right? Now this is another question, but now they are asking which of the following is definitely false. So how that will occur? Again, it is based on the same old concept which we discussed with the previous example. Let's see for this. So M is less than R. So M and R is here. We saw that exactly there are reversal of signs. So no, this is not definitely false. This is not our answer. N equals to D. If we see N equals to D, again there is reversal of sign we saw here. No. So reversal of sign means you cannot draw the conclusion. It doesn't flow in a one path. P is greater than L. So P and L. Again there is reversal. No, this is not again. O equals to R. O and R. Now let's see, this is very good question and a good example. So if we see in this direction, there is one flow, right? Less than, equal to, and there is one less than sign. So whenever less than sign comes, the moment you have to draw the conclusion, that should be O is less than equal to R. Not less than equal to, sorry, less than R. Why? Again here, if you want to check it, you can check with the diagram which I have told you. But it's very obvious. Once there is a less than or equal to sign comes in a particular flow, that will take the thing. So the answer should be D. So all you need to do is practice these kind of question in a flow that you don't need to even touch this diagram. This will be helpful when lot of signs are given. There are different dollar and at the rate and all. You have to, that helps in even understanding what is going on, and you can again put it down on the paper, or you can solve it this way. There is no hard and fast rule. So the entire aim should be to save time. So you should understand the pattern. So if for example A is greater than equal to B, and it's there is a greater than sign only, if you are asked to draw the conclusion between A and Z, obviously you will write A is greater than C, because here it came greater than, there is one sign. If there was equal to, then you can write A greater than equal to C, that because equal to means the same, B equals to C. That's the logic behind it. So now this is a third type of question. In this you will be given like a question mark, and you will ask that you should read the question very properly, because what is going to ask, they are asking what should replace the question mark so that these all are definitely true. So let's see what we will use. So B is greater than equal to 0, B and here, it means that either we can use here equal to or the greater than equal to, both will result in B greater than equal to 0, and then B is greater. So B greater than E, what it should be there. So already here we have satisfied that these two should be there, but when again in E, here also question, you can put any two, because why, there is already this greater sign to take care of. B only greater than equal to C. So if whatever you use, you will get that greater than equal to thing, greater than thing, because equal to should not come, and that is eliminated by, helped by O greater than K. Whatever you put doesn't matter. Now K is greater than N, so K is greater than N. Obviously now we cannot use equal to, remove it, and then so you have to use only greater than. So that is very much required. So this part we are definite that you have to use greater than only sign. Equal to or greater than equal to will not work. And then, so what should go here? Because so if we eliminate the option greater than equal to greater than goes, right? So this E cannot come anyway. You cannot reverse the sign. That will again make no sense. That is not allowed. Eliminated. C is the option is there, so C is the correct option answer. So you know that how you eliminated and found the thing. So this is the right way method. You will hardly take 10 to 15 seconds. All you need to do is satisfy everything and keep eliminating, and you can use your own strategy to minimize the thing. So if you have any doubt, you can comment in the post, because this is really very important. It saves a lot of time. You can definitely solve these kind of questions within 2 minutes, 1.5 minutes, because all you need to do, you are seeing and clicking it. Now I am just writing, but maybe that time you don't even need to write, and that time you can use, a lot of people will put their 5 minutes there. You can solve another part. Again, this is another kind of question. So it says that which of the following expression has 0 greater than equal to I and n less than equal to a, and definitely true. So let's start eliminating. Here 0 is less than I. That is the only relation you can get here. Eliminate it. Don't need to check any other option. And here if you see again, from 0 and I, you are getting less than I. Again, not our option. And then 0 is greater than I. In this case 0 is greater than I, doesn't fit our option. So if you see here, sorry, I just underlined a little low. So there is no relation between these two, because you can see the reversal of sign, right? But if you see this perfectly, and anyway you have eliminated all 4, this has to be the answer. If you check also, there is between 0 and I, so I is there. 0 greater than equal to I is preserved. That is the definite conclusion. N less than equal to A. If you see between these two, there is, see, all are less than equal to means less than equal to with equal to. So anyway, less than equal to and equal to will result in less than equal to. But if you go with less than equal to and less than, then you will have this. You cannot say that. So that's why here option is E. And you saw how we solved this. These best go with the elimination. Just pick one, eliminate, and do it carefully so you don't mess up. So this is the last thing. You need to fill which one is the definitely true, B greater than N. So what you can do is to for quickly, it depends on you to understand which one is fitting there. If you put B and N here, which is the first option. So what is there if you put, you can see there is a reversal of sign. So if you put at all these ends, you will never get that. Definitely true will not happen. That is not possible. So one is wrong. Now you see this here. If you put this, B will go here and N will go here. You will get B greater than N. Definitely true. So what is the answer? B. Don't need to check anything else. If it suits there, that's the thing. And you don't need to confirm yourself. So that's why you have to practice these kind of questions. These are the 5 questions, and I think there is these are the one type when dollar and symbol signs are not there. That is not important here. What was the key knowledge I wanted to give it to you, that you should solve all these questions within 1 minute. Because you will find options really helpful in these, and you don't need to write down as I've written. You can see, think, eliminate, and move on. Thank you.